Hi guys, welcome back to Battlefield. Okay, I have covered Lab 3 in one of in our earlier segment, and I realized that perhaps some of you may want to know how to actually install the CLI extension. Okay, once you have already installed the application, and as I said this, software as once you have downloaded the Azure CLI and then you have installed it, make sure you install everything, okay, from .NET, from your Node, Python, VS, and everything. Okay, then you open CMD. How can you open your command line or your Windows terminal line? So you just have to click search in your Windows bar and then you press your CMD. So when you press CMD, you will get the command prompt. Okay, then you click on the command prompt, you will get the command prompt popping out. Okay, from here, what you can do is the instruction is kind of clear here. So all you have to do is copy this. The moment you press, and then you just need to press Control V. You already get the item here, or you can just let me just remove this. Okay, or you can just right click on your mouse, and it will automatically paste because you've already copied and it's the clipboard. Then you press enter and it will inform you whether it's installing, it is verifying, it is installing, and if it is ready. In my case, it's ready. So it has verified and installed, so it's ready. So then you install the next extension, which is this, and you click and then you put. So you will see similar. It will show you it is verifying and it is installing. It takes some time depending on your internet speed. And I would like to, okay, once you have done this, I'd like to show you what happens in the other command prompt that I have opened here. Okay, here you go. So once I've done, it has informed me. See, once it is completed, what I have done is I wanted to verify if it is completed. So once I've already put in all these codes, the time series, Azure, and then I clicked on this extension update name. So then I forgot this, but I went straight to this. Okay, no problem. This is what you see. As I said, I have installed this. I didn't do any on update, but the system itself has mentioned that there is 2 available updates. Okay, if you did not know how to put this, all you have to do is just say easy upgrade. Just with this, it will automatically identify and it will ask you whether you want to continue and get it updated. So, and I will say yes. When I say yes, it will start. Installation process will take place, and that may take some time. Okay, guys. So I would like to just update on that, and that is as an addition to the lab 3. Thank you and bye bye.